Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is quite common. Many users find that the screen on their Lenovo flops backwards on its own. This can happen due to worn-out hinges or misalignment, and if left unchecked, it can lead to further damage to the screen or the internal components. So let's get started with the repair. For this job, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement hinge set. First, ensure the device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. To open the laptop safely, start by removing the screws from the base using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry apart the base from the top. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any internal components. Now, let's locate the faulty hinge. You should be able to see it attached to the screen and the base. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. To extract the hinge, you will need to remove the screws holding it in place. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver for this task. When removing the screws, apply a moderate amount of force, but be cautious not to strip them. After the screws are out, you can gently pull the hinge away from the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, to install the new hinge, simply reverse the steps you took to remove the old one. Position the new hinge correctly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid future issues. Once the new hinge is in place, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. Finally, carefully reassemble the laptop by aligning the top and base sections and pressing them together until they click into place. Replace all the screws you removed initially, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Before you power it on, double-check that all components are correctly connected and there are no loose parts. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to handle your laptop with care, avoiding excessive pressure on the screen and regularly checking for any signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.